Hello friends, welcome to e-lecture series initiated by LJ Institute of Pharmacy. Myself Dr. Dilip Maheshwari, working as a professor and head of department QA and chemistry department. In today's lecture, we have studied about the application of HPLC. In previous session, we have studied about introduction and principle of HPLC, then the instrumentations, and then application of HPLC. Here HPLC is a very important tool which are used in the routine analysis in the pharmaceutical industry as well as in the different institution, and the different parameter are analyzed by the HPLC. For the application of HPLC, it is also be used for the qualitative analysis as well as quantitative analysis. First of all, qualitative analysis means here the identification of the compound. The compound can be identified with the help of HPLC, and quantitative analysis means the estimation of the compounds, the amount of compounds which are present in the different mixture or different substance. They can be analyzed. For the qualitative analysis here, it is also be checking for the identification of compounds with the help of retention time with the reference compound. They can be matched and they can be identified that this compound, for example paracetamol drug is there. If the retention time of paracetamol drug is 5, so by comparison the peak of retention time 5, you can be identify the compound. It is also be used in the checking the purity of the compounds. If the compound which are analyzed, if you are same quantity are injected into the HPLC, it can be gives the peak area. So from that you can be identify that your compound is pure on nature or it contains other impurity, or if the presence of impurity is there, so you get the additional peak in the chromatogram. So from that you say that your compound is not pure and it contains some impurity. So you can be from that you can be go for the further analysis. It is also be used for the quantitative analysis for the estimation of compound with the different applications. It is used for the assay of many substance. So 85% of compounds they can be analyzed by the HPLC in the routine analysis. It is also used for the drug mixture. If the more than one compound are present in the mixture, they can be also be analyzed with the help of HPLC. It is used in the biopharmaceutical and pharmacokinetic studies. For the administration, distribution, metabolism, excretion, ADME study, the HPLC is used, and stability study of your different compounds, they can be also be used the HPLC. Purification of some natural or synthetic origins, they can be done by the HPLC. So here the mixture of compound is there which are present in the natural products, they can be passed through the HPLC. You can be purified single compound, you can be isolate single compound, separate out single compound from that mixture, then you can be that used for the further analysis. Investigation of biological materials such as gastric content, blood, urine sample are also be done by the HPLC. So blood product, serum, urine analysis, biological fluids, these all are can also be analyzed by the HPLC system. Inorganic chemistry have also be application of HPLC. So the different compounds, iodine, perchloride, ion, anions and cations which are present in the mixture, they are sometimes separate out with the HPLC. For the biochemical analysis, so for the identifications and estimation of lipids, they can be also be done by the HPLC. For the amino acid analysis, size exclusion chromatography is used. After separation from that compound, from the size exclusion chromatography, they can be passed through the HPLC for the further analysis. For the carbohydrates, HPLC is used for the determination of sugar content which are present in the daily products. So for the analysis of carbohydrates, different type of sugars, monosaccharide, polysaccharide, disaccharides compounds, they can be analyzed by the HPLC. For the nucleic acid estimations, our HPLC is also be useful. For the nucleic acid separation, starting material, intermediate material, and separation and purification of nucleic acid, they can be done by the HPLC. For the vitamins, which are present in the various food products, they can be also be analyzed by the HPLC. Isolation of natural pharmaceutical active compounds, for example morphine, codeine from the opium, they can be also be done by the HPLC. HPLC having also a role in the petrochemical industry. The crude petrols which contain the number of substance, they can be separate out and they can be analyzed by the HPLC. In environmental pollutants, the different type of pollute, pesticides, carcinogens which are present in the air, they can be also be analyzed with the help of HPLC. For the bioequivalence studies, it is also be used for the metabolite. They can be separate out from the serum, urine and plasma, then they can be analyzed by the HPLC. So HPLC having a very crucial role, even though for the apart from the pharmaceutical substance, they can be different industry, food products, petroleum products, they can be used for the analysis of HPLC. So this is about the application of HPLC.